poppin', y'all? It's your boy LSRI 254. You can see in the garage. This video, what can I say about this video? We finna make some stuff happen. Going on a little road trip. Had the roof open. It's chilling. Got a little baby here. Posted chilling outside. Oh shit, what is that? Got the U-Haul trailer. What we finna go get with this? We're getting to it.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My Chevy. I'm gripping in my Chevy. Okay. I'm bouncing in my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, so it's the day before. Let's top out the gas tank. It took like 9 gallons, almost 10. But gas is like $2.29 a fucking gallon, bro. Like, god damn. Craziness. Alright, so it's the morning of about 5 something in the morning. Gonna get this goat juice going. Hook the trailer up, get on the road, man. Hopefully we can get down there by about 10 o'clock. Pick up our cargo and then go from there. All right, y'all, we done made it to the H. Filling up so that after we get our, whatever we gonna get, you know what I'm saying, we ain't gotta come back through here. I am accompanied by my partner in crime over there. Wait to the camera, Cortez. So we are gonna pick up the merchandise. And then shit, we'll be fucking headed back. I'll cut y'all back on when we get there. Use about a half a tank of gas. Coming down here. It's about 10 o'clock, I wanna say. A little bit before 10, so get it loaded up. Whatever it is, keep watching, and then you'll see exactly what it is that we're getting. And yeah. Anything you want to say to the people of YouTube?
Oh man, you got me over here look like a damn bum on the gas station hanging out with a hangover and shit. Red Bull.
Give you wings. Alright, so we gotta, is that it? Is that it? 12? Alright, well, let's go. Alright, so we out here, Love's Truck Stop, McDonald's. and Love's. McDonald's slash Love. Get something to eat, man. Got down hungry in the bitch. Truck doing good. Transmission temp ain't went over like 183. A little closer look at it. Got it loaded up. This is what it was. The LS trifecta now begins. You see it, nigga. Yeah, you see it. LS Broham. Shout out to my dog E. 89. Chevy Caprice Classic LS Broham. Newest addition to the family. Double check my strap, make sure everything on the up and up. Impact stripping tack. Fix it, Jesus. Yeah. I thought I had an extra license plate holder, but I don't no more. I'm gonna need that. I'll show y'all a better look on the inside afterwards. Overall, good condition. I mean, just surface rust or whatever. Ain't nothing we can't handle. Solid. Got a box of goodies, man. That'll be in another video. But yeah, we'll show you what we're working with. Yeah, peek inside. Yeah, nigga. Fuck with me, bro. Who ain't got no box Chevys? Who ain't got no box Chevys? Nah, it's the last one. Last one, y'all. Last one. I promise. Maybe. This is a perfect blank canvas. You know what I'm saying? Perfect blank canvas. What we gonna do? Like I said, man, y'all just stay tuned, nigga. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Well, yeah. Y'all see it. So I got Cutlass and box Chevy down the street. Got the new edition coming in. Shout out to my boy Cortez for giving us some help. And we're finna get busy taking it down.